Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the icon style and shape on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So to do it, you need to go to the Settings app, and then in Settings app go to Themes. And if you are not logged in to your Samsung account, you'll be asked to do that now. And without it, you'll not be able to use the Galaxy themes. So I suggest doing that if you want to change your icons. And now, since I'm logged in, I can go to Icons. Then I'm gonna go to the top. And here I'm gonna select the free ones because some of them are paid. And here you can see that they are really different. As you can see right here, these I think have different shape, I believe. So I'm just gonna click on download. They look quite neat. I'm gonna click on apply now. And you can see that they actually are different. So they have been changed now. Not all of them, because different themes have different amounts of apps that are supported. For some themes, more apps will be supported, and for other ones, less. But you can see that they all have a sort of a shadow. So actually, for the apps that are not set on the theme, it still has all of the shadows and stuff, so it's also great. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.